Look, we all have problems, all of us. Everybody that you see on this earth, on Instagram, wherever, we all have our own problems. Some bigger than others, some smaller than others, but we all have challenges that we go through. There is no single person in this earth that doesn't go through challenges. None. Now, what I want you to remember is that if you are not where you want to be today, listen to this carefully. If you are not where you want to be today, that means you stand a chance of being happier tomorrow. Because tomorrow you can be where you want to be, or you can achieve what you want to achieve. So don't let these bad days, obstacles, challenges make you lose hope. These are all stepping stones to success. These are there so that you are able to have a testimony and tell an interesting story. I always tell people that whenever I go through bad things, I'm like, I can't wait to overcome this so I can be able to tell a story about it. I'm a storyteller, so I like telling stories. So whenever I go through especially most difficult challenges, I tell myself, this is going to be a good story to tell when I overcome this. You understand? Because that for me, it's not really a bad thing. This is just there to help me grow, to help me realize things about myself, my strengths and my weaknesses. You know what I mean? So I want you today to not lose heart and give up and say, I can't do this anymore. Don't do that. Don't give up. You are almost there. They say it gets worse before it gets better. It gets darker before the sun rises. You know what I mean? So most people have missed their chance to success because they gave up just when they were about to succeed. Just when they were about to succeed, that's when they gave up. Because at that moment when you're about to succeed, it all seems impossible. Which is why there's only a minority of successful people, because those are the people that endured that, moment of uncertainty, that I don't know what I'm going to do from here onwards, but I'm going to persevere and push on until I get to where I want to be. You know what I mean? So you do not lose heart. You do not give up. You keep pressing on until you achieve your goals, until you achieve the success that you want to achieve. If you haven't achieved it, you're not done yet. And if you're still waking up in the morning and you're still breathing, then you can still achieve it. You know what I mean? So I want to wish you guys all the best, and I want you guys to say, take this weekend and relax and reflect on everything that you've ever went through in your life, and realize that you actually have 100% survival streak, 100% survival rate. Everything that you've ever went through in your life, you have survived it. And whatever you're going through now, you can survive it, because you are a winner.